Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the k sound. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard the k sound before, because the letter C makes a k sound, and the letter K makes a k sound, and together they also make a k sound. K, 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 k. But today, we're going to be focusing on this k sound. Now, when it's my turn, I'm going to do this, and when I do this, it's your turn. K, k, k. Excellent. Now, when we use this k sound, it tends to be in the middle of words or at the end of words. So I wonder what we'll find in my magic box today. Let's have a look and see. I found a duck. Can you hear the k sound at the end of duck? Duck. Duck. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the k sound. Oh, I found a rock. Can you hear the k sound at the end of rock? Rock. Rock. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the k sound. I found a sock. Oh, can you hear the k sound at the end of sock? Sock. Sock. Excellent. So sock, rock and duck all use the k sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the k sound. To write our k sound, we need to do a letter C and a letter K. So we start at the top and we go round, and then we start at the top, down, magic finger off. We start here, we go down to our first line and down to the bottom. Now I want you joining in at home, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a big wobble, give your shoulders a big roll, and remember, you can use your other hand as a piece of paper to write on. And off we go. Magic finger, start at the top and round. Start at the top, down, off. Start here, down to your first line and down to the bottom. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic finger. Start at the top and round. Start at the top, down, off. Start over here, down to your first line and down to the bottom. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the k sound. Our first word today is duck. My turn first. D-u-c, duck. Your turn. Duck. My turn again. D-u-c, duck. Your turn. Duck. Excellent. Our next word today is neck. My turn first. N-e-k, neck. Your turn. Neck. My turn again. N-e-k, neck. Your turn. Neck. Excellent. And our last word today is sock. My turn first. S-o-k, sock. Your turn. Sock. My turn again. S-o-k, sock. Your turn. Sock. Excellent. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the k sound. Well done. You've worked really hard today and should feel so proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.